2 hot dog and 1 pizza for only $6.32. And also why I'm here, because I would like to try to have an oil change here at Costco, because normally I go to my dealer. But look, I was so surprised. For my truck, I'm only paying $67.79. That's a good price for oil change of my truck. Yeah, and then after that, we're gonna go inside and maybe check something that we need to buy for home. Yeah, so anyway, Ami's here. We're eating our lunch. Yeah, there you go. Not too bad. 67, it's not bad. Okay. Come on, Yummy, eat now. Mattress 5. That was $34.99. I need it, so maybe I have to take one. Okay. Our truck is done for oil change. But let's see more what else that we can get that we need that is on sale. The coconut water is on sale. We save $4. So we grab one. It's this one. The Vita. There. Yeah. It's nice to have when it's on sale. This is only for emergency and it's on sale as well. Look. I saved $3.50. I'm gonna grab one. Sometimes there's a lazy night. I want some soup. So we grab one. I'm grabbing one of this. And this one is $12.99. Where's your deal?
Oh, here you go.
Oh, thank you. It's good though.
Is it spicy or pickle?
Yeah, I like it. Grab one. Let's grab one Canada Dry. And iced tea is $12.49. Grab one. So I grab one iced tea. Guys, try nyo though. This is so good. It's $6.99 per bag. And this one, we're gonna make a barbecue. We're gonna marinate it and then do a barbecue. We're grabbing one toilet tissue. $21.49. So let's grab one. Folding wagon is $89.99. I want it and we need it. Sometimes when we go to the beach, it's It's much easier to put everything there. So we're gonna grab one.
Only good if you
That's right.
bring that old tank in and get
So handy. So let me get one. Yan. I guess that's enough for now. Let's pay now. Okay, let's go, guys. That's the damage. Okay, and then the rest there. Okay, so we pay now.
Follow the instructions on the pin pad. Thank you for shopping at Costco.
The oil changes are done, so we're gonna pick it up our truck now. And Ami's here, waiting. Okay, so let's wait. It's still a long line. There's 4 people ahead of me. Yeah, we finished changing oil of Totong. So time to go home now. And then we put our stuff in the truck. Help me here, Ami. Okay now, so next up, let's stop by first at Winners. I want to check something, and I think Ami the same. So let's see. Okay, come guys, let's check out what we can get at Winners. Wait for Totong there. Oh, it's so nice and sunny, hot weather.
Yeah. Feels like summer.
Yeah, feels like summer, but still spring. Okay. Let's see what is inside. I'm gonna grab a cart. Are you gonna look around?
Yeah.
Okay. Go look around. Grabe, ang mamahal ng bag. Like this one, look. $80. Just a simple white. Just looking, but I don't need one. Let's see an underwear. I'm getting this at Winners. Treat for myself. And the hat as well, look.
Cashier number
Look at
4,
all these
please.
mugs, it's so pretty. Okay, let's pay now. That's what I got. How much is the drink? I mean, what is 169? Only Nestle. 169. Yeah. How about this? How much this?
Cashier
I think
number
this is
5, please.
$2.49. Can I have the pink one, please? Yeah, how about you? Hurry up. Hello. Wow, Ami's wearing now. Does it feel good, Ami?
Yeah.
Good. It match on your shirt too. You got peach
Yeah.
Crocs. I like it. Okay, we're home now. Thank you, Lord. Okay, Ami. Okay. Take care. God bless everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Ami. It's a beautiful day outside, eh, Ami?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And the main important is we change our oil, so ready to travel again. Summertime. Okay, bye.